Hi, I'm Alan. Today we will learn KET Speaking course, KET Speaking Part 2, Lesson 2, Food and Drink. First, let's look at vocabulary practice. Drag and say. Please drag the correct words in the boxes. Now, let's check the answer. Let's read these words together. First picture.
How
Healthy.
healthy. Boring? No. Noisy.
Something about sound. That's right. Okay.
Boring. Fun. Delicious.
Nice. Good job. Okay, let's have a look at practice discussion task. In this part, you're going to discuss likes and dislikes and give reasons. Let's watch a video to learn more. This is a good sample video. I think you can learn a lot from this video. Now let's move on. Let's practice more. So what are these places? Please drag the correct words in the boxes. Now, let's check the answer. Let's read the words. Number 1.
Fast food restaurant.
What about number 2?
Park.
Park.
3 is restaurant.
Yes.
4 is home. 5 school.
School. Okay. Nice.
Yeah, maybe school cafeteria, maybe.
Yes. Okay. So now let's look at think and say. Do you like these different places to eat? Why or why not? And in this part, I will be your partner.
I like eating in the park because I can be relaxed and breathe fresh air. That's it.
Yes, very good. Okay, you can talk about your reasons, but also remember in this part, you will have a partner, so actually you two can discuss together. So that means you can also ask questions. So can you read the question sentence pattern?
Do you like eating at? Do you like having at?
And also, when you are answering these questions, remember, you need to talk about the reason by using the sentence like because. Okay, so can you read the answers?
Yes, I like because. No, I don't like because.
Good. Remember, ask the question and answer. Okay, now let's practice. Do you like eating at fast food restaurants?
I like eating at fast food restaurant.
Good. But don't forget the reason. For example, maybe yes, I like eating at fast food restaurants because it is cheap, it saves time, and the food tastes good. Okay, so can you try to answer this question again? Do you like eating at fast food restaurants?
Yes, I like eating at fast food restaurant because it is cheap and it can help us save time and the food tastes good.
That's pretty good. Okay, and teachers, pay attention. Sometimes you can see the arrow on the right. So actually, this is just a function for you to help the lower students. Some of the students cannot say anything about the questions, so you can drag this part and you can see some sample answers for them. Now let's drag and ask. It's your turn to ask the question, okay? Now let's check the answer. Can you read the question?
Do you like play in the park?
Play in the park? We are talking about.
Do you like having a picnic in the park?
Yes, that's good. Okay, you can ask a question like this, and also you can answer the question. For example, I like having a picnic in the park. How about you? So this is another way you can ask the question.
Okay. I like having
Yes, go on.
I like having a picnic in the park. How about you?
Yes, good. That's good. Try to use how about you? What about you? Okay. Now let's have a free talk. In this part, I will be your partner and we will discuss the question, do you like these different places to eat? Why or why not? Now let's start. I like eating in the park because, I can get some fresh air and I can have a good time with other friends or family members. How about you?
Mm, I I think I have I think yes, I like eating in the park too. Because I can with my family together and we play some games and eat some delicious food. I also like eating at fast food restaurant. Mm, mm, do you like it?
Yes, okay, because I suppose nobody doesn't like fast food, right? Tastes so good and yummy, and it's very fast. It saves us a lot of time. Okay, so we can stop here, and because later we will show you more about this part. Okay, now let's move on and let's drag an answer. Please choose one picture and to talk about it. Okay, so let's check the answer and let's say it.
I like the park best because it is fun. Besides, I can enjoy
Nature.
nature.
Yes, okay. Enjoy the nature. Okay. So besides pay attention, you can add more information, right, about your answers. Okay, so this is a good phrases or good word for you. Okay. Now, let's look at the mock time discussion one. So I will be your partner and let's talk together. We will have 2 minutes. So do you like these different places to eat? Why or why not? So do you like eating at home?
Yes, I like eating at home because I can have a great time with my mom and dad, and we can enjoy delicious food. I especially like dumplings, um, and it have different stuffings there. It tastes really great. Uh, do you like eating at home?
Actually not, because my parents are so busy with their work, so we don't have so much time to have dinner or lunch together at home. By the way, my mom is bad at cooking, so so it's it's like the disaster. Okay, and do you like eating in the fast food restaurant?
Yes, I like eating at fast food restaurant because it can save my time. Um, how about eating at school? Mm,
It's a good place, I think, because we can eat yummy food together, and also we can talk and we can talk some gossip, right? Okay, and sometimes we can also play some games.
mhm,
So, do you
mm.
like eating in the restaurant?
Yes, I agree. I especially like food at restaurants because I can taste some different food from different provinces or countries. Uh, it can explore my mind, and I can be excited when I taste various food.
Hmm. I totally agree with you, because we can order what we want, but sometimes we may be careful with our money, right? Okay. And I think going to the park to have a picnic is a good choice, because we can get some fresh air. What do you think?
Yes, I enjoy eating food in the park because because it's fun and I can enjoy the beautiful views, and I like taking photos too in the park.
Okay, so this is mock time discussion one. Now let's move on to the discussion two.
Mhm.
So I will ask you some questions. Do you think eating at home is boring?
No, I don't think eating at home is boring because we can try different foods at home.
Okay, now question two. Which of these places to eat do you like best?
I like the park best.
Because,
Because I can enjoy the nature.
hmm,
Mm,
okay, and let's move on to the discussion three. Now answer two questions. We have 1 minute.
mhm.
What's your favorite restaurant in your living area and why?
My favorite restaurant in my living area is a place called Fresh Feast because it's not expensive.
And how often do you and your family go to a restaurant?
We usually go to a restaurant once or twice a week. Most of the time, we eat at home.
Okay, so today you've practiced vocabulary about food and drink, practice Katie speaking part 2, mocked Katie speaking part 2. So if you got some other extra time, you can continue to talk about the next slides. Okay, now thank you everyone.